Here we have a 1991 Bryant unit and a 2012 Carrier. The Bryant serial number is 3991. No, I think that's an E. No, wait. I'll just repeat it. 3991 F4 3051. No, that was the serial number. The model number is 593VJ030-A. So right back here it says Bryant. It's currently running. Up here is the 2012 Carrier. It's also running. Its serial number is 12E27472. Model number is 24ABB330A310. Well, this is a really old Bryant unit. I'm gonna look up the Carrier, and is the Carrier appears to be I honestly can't tell. I'm betting it's straight cool though. Yeah, it appears to be a straight cool unit. I'm gonna assume the same for the Bryant. So yeah, I believe there's both straight cool units, but I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, 1991 Bryant unit and a 2012 Carrier unit. Both of them are running. Over and out.